Stop working hard just for the sake of being busy. Success doesn't come from endless effort. It comes from smart direction. You can spend years climbing the ladder, but what if it's leaning against the wrong wall? Working smart means focusing on what truly moves the needle. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. Learn, adapt, and use your mind as your most powerful tool. Hard work builds endurance. Smart work builds results. The people who win in life aren't the ones who grind the longest. They're the ones who think the sharpest. So today, stop running in circles. Take a step back, plan, and move with purpose. That's how you rise smarter, faster, and stronger.